I'm the office rebel.
Hensem, yeah?
What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rabak Reviews. My name is Natalie and today we're going to be reviewing something a little bit more different compared to your everyday hair products. Now today's review is based on Fisticuffs Tattoo Balm and today we're going to find out whether this product is Rabak or not. So Fisticuffs is actually a brand from Brave Before Shave and they sell mostly beard oils, beard balms, mustache waxes and pomades. Their founder Wayne Bailey decided to one day grow a beard, hence Brave Before Shave was born. Fun fact, their products actually all contain really great artwork like this bad boy over here, and they are mostly comprised of only natural ingredients and very safe to use. Right guys, so before we get right into it, I first need to tell you all that I do suffer from eczema since I was a baby and I have very sensitive skin. So most of the time all my tattoos are all in spots that don't flare up, so they're all pretty clean, as you can see from these guys over here, and they only flare up when they are healing because it gets very itchy, right? So I always use this bad boy over here, Bepanthen. I'm sure we are all very familiar with it. It's a nappy rash cream. All your tattoo artists must have used it. All of you guys probably use it. Right, so without further ado, let's get into this guy. So I'm just gonna open it up like that. It's actually, it's very easy to open.
Okay.
So this is what it looks like on the inside. Very nice, clean. It smells a bit peppermint and eucalyptusy. I actually like the smell, it's very pleasant. So I'm going to scoop out a little bit here. Bit of a rule of thumb. You only want to use a little bit. Oh, it's actually it's not very sticky. It's less greasy, it doesn't feel very heavy, and it's not like very oily, you know, like when I rub it on my palms, because you see I've got a bit of eczema also. It absorbs quite easily and it doesn't feel like very sticky or heavy, because especially when we're in Singapore, so like the humidity will be quite bad and it will make it even more heavier. Okay, so I'm actually going to start applying the product now, but first this is actually a new tattoo that I got a few weeks ago. The swelling has actually stopped. It's still a little bit red, but all the peeling has stopped also. Now I'm going to try the Fisticuffs one, and without further ado, let's give it a go. So it's supposed to help with the healing process, right? You can tell it's cracking a little bit still. It's very dry because after when a tattoo like completely starts to peel off, you have to continue to moisturize it so that it heals properly. You can see it's already starting to become very vibrant. Less dry, more moisturized. So my skin feels a little bit more smooth now. It's a bit tingly, but I think it's coming from the calm and cooling sensation from the peppermint and eucalyptus and tea tree oil. I think it also contains jojoba oil, so it's supposed to help relieve the itch. And because I've got eczema, right, from all the flare-ups, I feel like less pain and less sore already. Right, so now that I've actually applied on my newly fresh tattoo, I'm going to try something out, and because it says it helps to revive old tattoos as well. So we're going to try on this bad boy over here, which I've done it like 4 years ago, so it's fairly old already. You can tell it's a bit like faded a bit. So let's try it with this one over here. Okay, so same thing here, you want to put only like a fingertip full, because like a little bit goes a long way, as we always say. Like I can already see like the effect that it's doing. Like it looks less dull already. So this is really good, man. Oh my god, I'm so impressed by this already. Definitely a plus. Okay, so now that we've put it on our new and old tattoos, I'm gonna try a little bit different. So this one has color in it, right? So we're gonna see whether it works as well on old tattoo. This one I got it done exactly 5 years ago, so it is probably one of the oldest tattoos and one of the first few tattoos that I got. As you can tell, there's a bit of a flare up here and there, but that's fine. We want to focus mainly on yellows and the reds and the greens, because those are like the hardest part and they fade the easiest as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to put a little bit on half of the tattoo to see whether it works, and then the other half we'll just leave it as we go so we can tell between and before. Right, so we'll just put a little bit here. And I'm going to put a bit on the flower as well. Take some from there. As you can tell, it's already moisturized. Like, this part is not moisturized. The words sail away is like fresh, but the tune away is a bit dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub it all in now. Right guys, so it's been about 5 to 10 minutes since I've applied this product, and I can see that my skin is already more moisturized in a way, and it definitely looks a little bit brighter and looks a bit more refreshed. So all in all, I would say the Fisticuffs Tattoo Balm is not Rabak. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please do give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the video, and let us know in the comment section whether you want us to do more product reviews other than hair products. Once again, my name is Natalie, and you stay handsome, and I'll see you in the next video.